Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe payments workflow for subscription management, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Stripe payments for subscription management, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the Products tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Product button. Enter a name for your subscription product. Set the pricing model to standard pricing. Input the price for your subscription. Choose the billing interval, such as monthly or yearly. Save your product by clicking the Save Product button. Next, go to the Developers section in the sidebar. Select API keys to retrieve your publishable and secret keys. Keep this information handy for integration. To create a checkout session, go to Payments in the left menu. Select Checkout. Click on Create a new checkout session. Fill in the necessary details for the session, including link the session to your newly created product. Set up the success and cancel URLs for redirecting users after payment. Generate the checkout session and copy the session ID. Now move to your application code. Install the Stripe SDK if you haven't done so already. Use your secret key for server-side authentication. Set up a function to create checkout sessions. Utilize the session ID and client-side code to redirect users. Implement the necessary webhooks to manage subscription events. In your Stripe dashboard, go to Developers then Webhooks. Click Add Endpoint to configure a new webhook URL. Select the events you want to listen for, such as subscription creation or cancellation. Save the webhook configuration. Ensure your endpoint validates incoming webhook requests from Stripe. Implement logic to handle these events appropriately in your application. Test your entire integration using test card numbers provided by Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.